In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy data in Sheets inside Canva quickly and easily. This is a super useful feature if you're working with tables, trackers, planners, or any kind of spreadsheet-style layout in Canva, and you don't want to manually retype the same text over and over again. Whether you're a beginner or you've been using Canva for a while, this simple trick can save you a lot of time. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and step-by-step software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see different design options and tools available. From here, look for the option called Sheets. Canva Sheets works like a lightweight spreadsheet and is perfect for organizing data visually. Click on Sheets to open a new sheet design. Now that your Canva sheet is open, the next step is to add some text. Click on any cell in the sheet and type in any text of your choice. This could be a name, a number, a label, or any kind of data you want to repeat across multiple cells. Once the text is entered, click outside the cell briefly to make sure it's properly placed. Now comes the most important part of copying data in Canva Sheets. Click back on the cell that contains the text you want to copy. When the cell is selected, look at the bottom right corner of that cell. You'll notice a small square or box icon. This is the fill handle, and it works very similarly to spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. Click and hold that small box icon in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. While holding it, drag or slide it across the other cells where you want the same text to appear. You can drag it horizontally, vertically, or across multiple rows and columns depending on how many cells you want to fill. As you slide it across, Canva will automatically copy the original text into all the selected boxes. Once you release the mouse, you'll see that the text has been copied into every cell you dragged over. Just like that, your data is duplicated without any extra typing. This method is perfect for copying labels, repeating values, or quickly filling out structured data in Canva Sheets. If you need to change the text later, you can still edit individual cells or repeat the same process again with new content. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to copy data in Sheets in Canva using the built-in fill handle feature. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.